How to find product making £10,000 in sales every month selling just one product on Amazon. 63 reviews, £10,000 in sales. As promised, today I'm going to show you how I find opportunities and how I find the top product to sell on Amazon every single month. Starting from this one, first of all, let's try to understand which product is this, what is doing, how is going to help us, what's the value behind this product. So can we understand a bit more? There is a video, amazing. Let's have a look at the video. Let's try to understand why we should, as a buyer, buying this product, or why people they want to buy are looking for this product. As you can see, the connection is great, so internet is amazing. So let's skip the video for a second. Let's go down. Let's try to understand a bit more, looking at the picture, competitors, and profitability calculator as well. The reason why I'm using this software is because it's free, and as mentioned on TikTok, I'm going to show you free tools to find the right product. So now it says on profitability calculator that that product, if cost you £16.32, and if you're selling at 80.59, you could make up to £35 profit, leaving 20% VAT inside. So we're talking about UK, the VAT is 20%. If you reach £85,000 in sales, as you can see, you can make up to £35 net profit every single time you sell one unit. But since I'm very negative, I like to play a bit around with this number. So I just want to make sure that if I include advertising, shipping, and everything, I just want to always double up the price, they say, so 35, okay? If we are buying this product from China and to ship it with the VAT, import duty, custom clearance, and shipping cost us £35, we can still make 17.47. That is 50% ROI, and is excluding, of course, PPC. Now, another way is to copy and paste the ASIN, go on Amazon Profit Calculator, and on Amazon official page, try to find out how much we could make with this product. As you can see, this is the Amazon page. It's not another software. It's free, and it tells you the size, the weight, and so on. Now, let's copy and paste all the information we have, 81.59, and we put it on the right side as well. The difference is your fulfillment and Amazon, so FBA. Now we need to put the cost. We leave all the rest like this, and we say that we're going to invest £35 every single unit in here without the VAT. So Amazon doesn't show you here the VAT 20%. You could make up to £31 with one unit. Okay, one single unit sold on Amazon, including fees, shipping, product costs, and so on, you could make up to £31. What about if I sell, let's say, less than 2 units a day? So I sell 50 units a month. Okay, how much I'm going to make? Let's change it inside the warehouse as well. So we put 50 instead of 1. We could make up to £1,551 net profit every month, excluding VAT, if you didn't reach the £85,000 sales yet, and excluding PPC. So this product, if we buy at 35, that is insane. I'm 100% sure it won't cost you that amount of money, because in dollar could be up to $50, and it is not real. So you could make up to £1,551 selling 50 units every month. That is just less than 2 units a day. 2 units a day will give you 60. This is 50, so it could give you this amount of money. Should we play it around a bit to try to understand, okay, you know what, we're going to invest £20 in advertising every single unit? We are crazy, we are mad. We could make up to £11 net profit each unit, excluding VAT. So that means that if we sell 50 units a month, less than 2 units a day, we could make £551 in sales every single month. Sorry, not in sales, in net profit. Okay, net profit, not in sales. Now, should we have a look on a different pages to try to understand how much could cost us if we convert it in dollars. So let's say, for example, we have 35 pounds, okay? How much is in dollar? Because we want to check on Alibaba how much we can invest. So $48. We can invest up to $48 on Alibaba, okay? And in there we say 35 pounds, okay? Let's have a look on Alibaba if we can find something at that price. Okay, going down, I was already looking for this product. I found something similar, but this is something that you need to do investing your time. I'm giving you the product, I'm showing you how I do it, but then you need to invest your time to see if there is an opportunity or not. For me, there is, and I'm going to show you by the end of the video. $29.50 for this product. This video is working, so we show us what's the benefit, the value behind this product, and why we should buy it if we like it, if we have a garden, if we think there is a value behind. So, for example, they show that with an app you can control your outdoor lights and you can change the color. So if you like it, it costs you $29, and we still have another almost $20 just to ship, and it's insane. I don't think for 1 kilo it's gonna cost you $20 to ship 1 kilo. So now let's focus on what is going to happen if we want to invest on this product, because we do have an opportunity here. We can make money. We have seen that there is demand. We have seen that other sellers are selling. Now, what about this product on Amazon? Why we should consider to launch this product? Let's have a look at this one. This one has got 63 reviews, okay? As we said, 81.59. I'm showing you for free once again how you can check the inside. So £10,000, 63 reviews, that's the size and weight of the product, £10,000 in sales. But let's focus on how many units they are selling every month. So this seller is selling 124, not 50, 124 units every single month. Should we have a look how much is making excluding VAT? If you reach VAT, we don't know. If how much is investing on advertising, we don't know. But we know for sure that with 124, he's gonna make 3,800 net profit, excluding the VAT and excluding the advertising. We don't know again if he's can you see estimated number of sales over the last 30 days? So 124. We don't know if he reached £85,000 in sales. And we don't know how much he's investing in advertising, but we know for sure that there are £3,800 as a net profit coming from Amazon Profit Calculator. The reason why I put 200 is because I want to show you, even if we put extra stock inside Amazon, because we want to play safe. We don't put 124 if we're going to sell 124, because what is going to happen on the 32nd day? Let's say every time that we sell at, I don't know how many there are a day, but 124 a month, you cannot just have that amount inside of the storage, inside of the Amazon warehouse. Doesn't make any sense. So now, talking about the product and the opportunity, I just want to show you how I found this opportunity and how I go through every day through Amazon top customer reviewers. The reason why I do that is because it doesn't require my login, it's not needed to pay, you don't need to have a seller account, and it's free. But if you're lazy, it's not for you. The reason why I say if you're lazy, it's not for you, because here I can find out all the top reviewers in my country, what they are buying, and I can find out which product has been introduced inside Amazon and how many sales are making. For example, let's have a look. 4 reviews, 34 reviews, 41 reviews, 40 reviews. The reason why I use this page every time I want to find a new product is because I truly believe that Amazon is selling them this product just to build a review. And in another video I'm going to show you why it's happening, because new seller can even pay to have a free product. Can you see so in green? So can you see customer review or free product? So they are not paying for this product, they are just reviewing the product, okay? And I can find hot products thanks to that software, thanks to this page, just because they are new product that they need a review, okay? On top of that, I use this one that is free, so it's Amazon Revenue Calculator or Profit Calculator, as you want to call it. And then I use this software over there. Again, I won't name it because they are not paying me. I don't have a link in the description below. So just have a look at the name and have a look that you can have it for free, a trial for free, like 50, if I'm not wrong, up to 50 launches every time you look for a product. So you can, let's say, search for 50 different products. As you can see, once I found the product on Amazon Top Reviewer, then I copy and paste the name of the product on a new page on Amazon, and I look for the entire selection. So for example, here you can see that the first one on top is making £8,500 with just 38 reviews. Okay, now I did the opposite. So I'm looking from a review from 0 to, let's say, the maximum. And as you can see, even with just 2 reviews, they're already making 800, 300, 2000. And then if you scroll down, you can reach 32 reviews, already 3,200, or 35 reviews, already 5,200, or 36 reviews, 2,500. But if you scroll down, you will see that there is 8,500 pounds selling the same product, but maybe could be, I don't know, less colors or less units, but it's still making as a new product on Amazon with just 38 reviews, is making already £8,500. So as you can see, this is all real. So you use profitability calculator, you just scroll down, you just look for a product, you just check if you need to pay VAT or not. If you're new, you don't, but then you change the price because you want to check on Alibaba how much it's going to cost you, and you're going to include even the shipping costs. So all the costs you're going to include here is going to give you the net profit. The net profit is going to show you if there is an opportunity or not. From my point of view and my experience, there is a massive opportunity with this product because it's going very well. As you can see, there is something interesting. It can be used now even for Christmas or when it's gonna be dark. So let's say October, November, December. But if you are lazy, if you don't want to go through all these alone by yourself, I want to suggest you something else. So for example, the reason why I'm writing here, I'm looking for Halloween, Black Friday and Christmas is because I want to show you that the next step could be just launch one product every month, Halloween, Black Friday and Christmas, and just to make money during the hot season, because for sure people they're gonna buy for Halloween. As you can see, this is the Google Trend is free. They're gonna buy on Black Friday and they're gonna buy during Christmas. So the amount of money that you're going to make, they're gonna generate your cash flow to start building your own brand. So let's say you want to build this product, you want to build a brand, you could sell October, November, December, 3 different products. You don't touch the profit, you build the cash flow, and then you launch your own product. If you enjoyed, subscribe and follow for more.